Hello to all the beautiful ladies out there and a very happy Women's Day to you all. So today I would like to share with you few tips which will help you to look at life in totally a new way. The very first tip is be in the moment. Many of my friends keep asking me, how can you be so energetic right from the time you get up till the time you go to bed at night? So the answer is being in the moment. Many of us will be thinking about something else while we are doing some other job. We keep thinking about so many things like what has happened 10 years ago. We still keep thinking about it and suffer about it. And many of us also will think about what is going to happen next hereafter in future. All these are mere waste of time, because of which we are not able to enjoy the present moment. So the one beautiful thing what you can do is be in the moment. You just enjoy this time, right now, this second. That's it. You just live about what has already happened and what is yet to happen. Be in the moment and you will definitely love whatever you are doing in your life, because every day is a new day, fresh day. That day has already gone, which will never come back. And tomorrow, we never know if we are going to be alive. So be present, enjoy the moment and enjoy the work which you are doing at that particular moment. For example, I'll tell you, being in the moment will help you give you 100% in whatever you are doing at that particular point of time. For example, I'm shooting a video now, so I will not think about anything else happening back at home or in the office or anywhere else in this world. I only think of what is happening right now. Am I doing the best? That's it. The same applies everywhere. For example, when I go back home, I will not think about anything else except for being at the home, being in that moment. And say when we are cooking, just don't think of anything else. You just be lively, enjoy the cooking activity. So you should not think about anything else while doing any other work. It can be as small as cooking till as big as your professional work. We should not dump our brain with so many thoughts which are really useless. So you just have to be in that present moment and enjoy the moment as it is. So this is a very big thing that will change the way you look at life tremendously. Just try and also let me know how you feel about this one. And now coming to the second tip, so many of us wanted to do something. We want to pursue our dreams, but which will not happen because of some or the other reason in our life. So it can be a marriage, or it can be because of kids, or it can be because of the relocating from one place to another place, or it can be for any number of reasons. But what I say is, we should not complain about the options we have in our life. We just have to explore what best can be done in whatever is given to us. We always have this perception she can do it because she's got so much of support from family, or she got so much of free time, or it can be anything. We always keep talking like this about others, right? But believe me, we don't know what's going on in their life as well, unless and until you be in their shoes. So everybody have their own life which has so many complications in it. It all depends upon how beautifully we are molding the options which are given to us. Everybody's got the same 24 hours of time. Now it all depends upon how well you are organizing your 24 hours of a day. We just should explore options about what best can be done in your lifestyle. For example, say I have a school, as you all know. Now I will be thinking of what best I could do with respect to my school, but I will not think about somebody else who is having a very big industry, and I cannot complain saying she has an industry, she just can go and enjoy, she doesn't need to do anything. No, I don't know what's happening around in her life. What I know is only about my life, and my job is only to make sure to put it the best possible way. So we have to look at the options we have in our life and make the best out of what could be done with the piece of material given to us. That is where the art of living lies in. We cannot complain about something which we don't have. Rather, we should make the best use of whatever is there with us, and you will really be very happy to really realize that you can do so much out of whatever is already there with you. And the third tip I would like to tell you is to embrace change. Because change is very essential in our lives, because it plays a major role in your development. You cannot still be like 90s when it is already 2020. Here you have to embrace the change as we are moving forward. You should get along with that. For example, many of you must be knowing Anchor Suma, who is in South industry. She's still surviving because she has adapted the change. She's still working with the youngest of the younger generation, though she is very old, because she adapted that change in her. So it is very important for us to embrace the change. In that way we can really go a long way. When I speak about change, it can be as simple as your dressing style to your housekeeping to anything. It can be anything. It can be any change. The change within you, the change which you are expecting to see within you, or the change which you are expecting to see in your kids. It can be any change. Initially, it might be difficult for you to embrace the change which you have really adapted, but going forward, you will be so mesmerized to see the results that change gets into your life. So do not be afraid of adapting the change. You may feel so like, oh my God, at this age, do you expect me to do that? I'm already a mom of 2 kids. I already got married. Why? Not required. You are just alive. You can do whatever you want to do and just go do it. You don't need to be afraid of anything else because you're not doing any wrong here. So embrace the change in life, which will change your life tremendously. And the fourth tip is check if it really matters to you. There are so many things that happens throughout our life, but you should know when to react and when not to react upon. You have to first check if it really matters to you. If there is something which is happening, which is bothering you a lot, if you can do something about it, you can just go sort it out. If you cannot do anything about it, you just leave it there, because however you cannot, you know that you can't do anything about it. There are only 2 options, either to sort it out or to leave it. But what we do, we always keep thinking about it and keep suffering. So this is not a right way. Either you have to sort it out or you have to leave it. But you cannot be in middle, suffering throughout your life. And we also should not interfere in things which doesn't matter to you. For example, if there is something happening around you, you just have to think once before you interfere. जैसे कि does it really matter to you? Otherwise, why do you have to go and interfere? So get in things only if it matters to you. If it is not something into your bucket, then you can just leave. Why do you have to waste your time in someone else's matters? After all, it's our life. We don't have time. And yes, when I talk about the time, the last important thing I would like to share with you today is time. Time in the sense your life. Days are passing. The day once passed will not come back again. So imagine each and every single day is one new opportunity for you to explore something new. I know we all have so many plans when we were like so young. We thought of doing this, that. We must have had so many beautiful dreams that we would like to pursue and achieve. But many of us must have laid back because of many reasons. So now, today, you can just give one more try. Nothing should stop you from doing something great, is what I feel. For example, see, I have started this YouTube channel. So if I would have thought that what people might think if I start a channel now, it may work or it may not work. I have not thought about anything as such when I started, because I don't care what people think about me, because it's my life, and unless and until I'm doing something wrong, I'm quite sure about it, right? So the same applies to you as well. You should not think about what others think of you if you do this. If it is really interesting you, you can just go ahead and do. You don't need to take someone's guidance or reference unless and until it is something not correct. And one more thing, we cannot wait for the time to come. For example, as soon as I had this idea of having a YouTube channel, I did not think about anything else. Like, I did not think what everybody else might think and all. I just did it. I did not think that maybe I have to do it 3 months later, or maybe I have to do it after an year or so. No, I have not thought anything, because time is so precious. So right now, if you are thinking of doing something, you just do it. You should not wait for time, because time will never come. You have to grab the opportunity, because every day is gone. Every single opportunity of life we are missing. If you have long-term dreams of achieving business or anything, you just check if you are working towards that. You have to move forward in your life each and every single day, pursuing your dreams, getting closer to your dreams. You have to just check if you are doing what you wanted to do in life. Nobody will stop us from doing something great. This is the right time. Today is the time. You can just start doing it right from today. Now, this minute, you can think and go ahead, follow your passion and have your own identity. Okay, fine. We all must have had role models in our life. I should tell you about my mom. She is now 52 years old. She's such an amazing lady, I should tell you, because she doesn't know how to read and write, and you will be so surprised. She was bringing us up throughout her life till the time I got married. She was only taking care of us. But just before, like when I was doing my MBA, she started her own business, that is financing. And you'll be so surprised, she could gift me a car worth 10 lakh rupees. Just in 2 years of span, she started her business. And you'll be so surprised to even understand that she is now earning about 20 lakh per annum. So can you believe that? She did not think that she don't know how to read and write. She did not think that what others might think if I start something doing right now at this age. So she did not think of anything like that. She just thought she should do, and she went, she did it, and she was like this today. So when you wanted to do something, age should not be your problem. If you know how to do that business, or if you don't know that business, that also should not be a problem. If you really have a passion to work towards something, that will be yours. And I am doing so many things like this because I wanted to be a role model to my daughter hereafter. So she should pick up from her mommy, जैसे कि what my mommy is doing, I should learn from her. So that is what you should set inspiration. You should be a role model to your kids. Have your own identity. Enjoy the life the way it is. You also can share with me if you have any role models in your life and any stories about your role models. And if you are really planning to do something, just go ahead and do it, because there is no right time to do good things around. I wish you all a very, very happy Women's Day to one and all. And for those who are coming to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.